about that, folks? Treetop right here they usually stack up on if we can find it.
Yes.
Oh, pickerel! A good one too.
Catfish. Good eating.
What we got?
You don't put your fingers in the mouth. He's fat too. You want him?
Get your camera. Oh, he's a little guy. This bitty fella, I'm gonna let him go. Not a little guy. Twelve to 0. I got a ball. I ain't coming back fishing with this again. Right there in the box. Huh? That's the ones I was talking about.
Yeah.
Down and half full fish.
Nice little catfish.
Yeah, we'll eat catfish right there. About that. That's what we come after.
What we have here is a situation where Scooter's catching all the fish and I ain't catching nothing. And it's not always like that. Usually I beat Scooter to death.
lying to you. He don't beat me to death. Oh. Never know when you're gonna catch. Oh, look at that. Nice shelter. Nice, nice. The microphone ain't pointing in. That's what you get when you go fishing with Scoot.
Yeah, what was your favorite part of the fishing today?
When I caught the white perch.
When you caught the white perch?
I caught the white perch. It was a good one.
Yes, it was. I wish I'd have caught more bass.
Yeah, you wasn't really bass fishing.
I love bass though.
Love catching them.
I love bass. But next time, we're going to have a little episode of catfishing with Scoot, and we're going to run some lines. We'll probably set them out in the evening time and go and check them in the morning or check them all night long.
It'll be a blast. Can't wait.
And then we got plenty of future episodes planned. We're going to be out front, out in the sound, and out by the islands. And we're going to catch all kinds. We got a triple tail episode that we're going to want to do, and we're going to try fishing for some specks and some reds.
Go bottom fishing for some white trout and ground mullet. You name it, we're going to catch it.
Yep. Then we're going to go back up to the Delta whenever the flood season is, and we're going to catch some catfish up there, and some crappie, and some bass.
I'll leave them bass alone. Trash fish.
Trash fish. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Speir Outdoors, and this was a special episode of Fishing with Scoot. And he was showing me around down here, and we caught a pretty good bit of fish, and we really had a good time today.
Something. Something.